Hey, welcome back to Let's Draw Something. Today we're doing a quick draw and we are going to be doing a really cute sheep. So let's get started. We're going to start with the head. Oh, I don't think I'm going to need these. I'm just going to put these aside. And my pencil does not have an eraser today. I like to erase quite a bit, but these are pretty simple drawings. So I'm going to make, for the head, a sideways V, but instead of a point, I'm just going to round it off a little bit. After that, I am going to draw two ovals, and these are going to be the sheep's eyes. Good. Now for the body has wool on it, and to me that looks kind of like a cloud, so I'm just going to take and make a lot of little crescent shapes until I can make them as long or as short as I like. I'm going to make this one pretty short. All right. Good. So we have a head, we have a body. To make sure we can see that the head is kind of coming out of the wool, we'll just put some little bumps there as well. And then for the feet, we'll just draw some sticks. Literally just some little tiny rectangle shapes. Maybe something like that. And I got a little carried away, so I'll make this one a little wider. You can make them as wide or narrow. You could make them really skinny at the top and thick at the bottom, however best you want your sheep to look. If you wanted them to jump, you could give them a little curve one way or another. We're almost done. There we have a sheep. Now, if you choose to have a tail, just kind of make a couple little curves. Make it narrow on one side and long on the other. If you want to give them a fluffy tail, you could do that too. And then the finishing touch for me, I'm just going to color in this head, and then I'm going to just go over the outline with a marker. When we come back, we'll see the finished copy. Okay, so we're back and we cleaned them up, put a little marker around them, didn't really change the pencil lines. I did add in these two little W's just to kind of signify where the leg is coming out of the wool. Other than that, here's Walter. I hope you enjoyed. If you like the drawings and you're having fun, please like and subscribe. We're gonna make a ton more. Again, this was Quick Draw.